Hi friends, today for science we're going to be reading the Scholastic News article called Eat Up, and we're going to be talking about some of the vocabulary words in the article. So this article is called Eat Up. You are a caterpillar with a job to do. Bite those leaves, then chew, chew, chew. What will happen when you're through? As you read, think about how a caterpillar becomes a butterfly. And here is a label that says this is a swallowtail caterpillar. And on this page says becoming a butterfly. So that tells us we're going to read about how a caterpillar becomes a butterfly. You're a caterpillar. This is what you do to turn into a butterfly. First, you hatch from an egg. Then you eat the egg's shell. Hey, it's food. Then you keep eating. Can you eat 200 leaves? You try. You need to get big. When you get big enough, your body changes. Keep eating. The outside gets hard. The inside gets gooey. This is a chrysalis. Your body has become a chrysalis. It is like a sleeping bag. You are changing inside. This takes a week or two. Then you come out. You have wings. Look at their colors. You have become a butterfly. Nice job. Talk about it. All grown up. How do you think each of these butterflies got its name? This is an owl butterfly, a zebra longwing, 88, and glasswing. And this is a swallowtail butterfly. And on the back of the article, there are some questions about a butterfly's life cycle, and we are actually going to be focusing on this later on in the week. Let's go ahead and look at some of the vocabulary words from our article. We are going to talk about the words hatch, shell, and chrysalis. First, the word hatch. When an egg hatches, a baby animal breaks out of it. This caterpillar is hatching. This is the word shell, the hard outer covering of an egg. And this is the word chrysalis. A caterpillar changes into a butterfly inside a chrysalis.